350z. Done. Jay's loving it. Sent me some pictures yesterday, but it's time to show you guys. Look, 2.25, it came in, it was a mess. The car was absolutely, the exhaust system was a mess. Well, it took us 2 hours to get it onto the ramp and get it up out of drive and so forth, but now she's on. It's completely finished. It took us a few days to get it done. He's loving it. We need to show you it. 2.25 inch 4 in mandrel. Check it out, guys. Brand new flexis. The other ones were set of cats for them, just horribly designed beforehand. But anyway, 2.25 inch, as you can see, mandrel bend, beautiful flanges, a custom designed Y piece, and then a 3-inch mandrel system all the way to the back. He's running 350 horsepower with NOS, so he wants that foresight. So anyway, there we are, mandrel system all the way, another set of flanges, custom DKU horizontal box, bad boy set of 5 inch, check them out, 5 inch bad boy, gas style tip. Guys, like, share, you know what it's all about here at DKU. Madge over and out.